All right, so this is Tank, and like Pavlov, we trained him using a clicker. So when he hears this noise, the click noise, he knows he's doing it right, and then he gets a treat. So, Tank, I need you to go down. No. Okay, that's lie down. Tank, sit. Sit. Good. Have a treat. Okay, Tank. You just sit. You need to go down. No, not. No, lie down. Good. Okay, this is what we're going to try to do is do a puppy push-up. Sit. Down. Sit. Down. No, sit. Sit. Down. Sit. Sit. And down. And down. No. Down. No, let's roll over. Down. Not bad. Now what I think Tank's evolved, it went from a sit to a lie down to a squirt or play dead, but we don't like to use those words around Tank. So sit, Tank, squirt. Good. So he's having a bit of a trouble adjusting from lie down to squirt. So let's see if we can do it again. Sit, Tank. Good boy. Okay, just down. Good boy. And let's try for the big finale here. Tank. Sit. Sit. Squirt. Squirt. No, squirt. Good boy.